Hello AI world. Today I'm walking you through and I'm showing you how to potentially use Gemini to help with your Google My Business profile, even your Google Maps. For a long time you'd have to go and manually log in to Google My Business profile, look at reviews, look at performance. There's a lot of friction there. I know because I still have to do it myself. There's all these third parties you can use. Now I want to show you how you can do this for yourself. I'm asking it to look, and it's going to show in a second. It should show connecting to Google My Business profile. Now, it's important to understand, so far I've not been able to do this on mobile, which means I probably couldn't do it on an iPad either. It's got to be done from the desktop version. So real quickly, it tells me, all these different things, primary category, additional categories, phone number, website. So I can verify that my name, my address, and phone number are all correct. Also called NAP. You want to make sure that NAP is always correct across all the different platforms. Because if you have a different address, maybe you've moved around a little bit, maybe you change your phone number. Say Bing's got one, Jim has got another one. That's going to get you dinged in AI because AI is looking at consistency when it comes to name, address, phone number. Business description. Now let's go a little deeper on this and see if it can help me manage it. Let's see. Let's see if it pulls this up. All right. So in the last 28 days, now it's pulling up a performance. It's telling me how much desktop search, map search, mobile search. Now here's something else I want to show it. So this is something. Now here's an important thing. If your account is not verified, it won't actually pull this up. It's only going to pull up verification. So what I want to look at, one thing I've been studying is my account was not verified because we were having trouble with addresses because we had moved offices. Is I want to know, was that basically like me being invisible to Google? And so this is going to kind of tell me, look, only 21, 11. Let's see. Let's just look at apps in 7 days. Desktop maps. 11 over the 7 day period before. Now these are all impressions here. Now you see the different reviews. Now let's look. It could pull up. Now let's see if it'll show me all the stats. Oh, here we go. Now look, this is just in the last 28 days, but it's showing me, action taken, direction request, website clicks from my Google My Business profile, call clicks. Now let me ask you this. I want to see if it's going to pull this up. See recent post. So you see all these ones all the way back from September 2024. Do you know why these are all? These are recent posts, right? See, my most recent ones since 2024. That's because when your profile is not verified, many times your posts are not getting out there. So then it shows Google, well, if things aren't being posted and this profile is not verified, then we're going to basically show people like this business is not alive, it's not active. And this is why when working with people, I tell people, look, you may not generate leads from posting your My Business profile, but what you are showing is you're showing Google this is an active profile. This is an active business so that it continues to drive traffic to your business. So these are just some ways that you can use Gemini with your Google My Business profiles. Now here's something else. Let's see if we can do this. And I know it can. Now let's see if we can pull in YouTube and our website. So this is what I really like here too. It's pulling all this. It can pull all this in. We could probably put this into a dashboard. Now, could Cloud do this? Maybe. The reason I'm doing this though, you got Google My Business profile. So you've got Google Analytics. You got YouTube, who Google owns as well. Now let's ask this. Hmm. See, so this is very important here. It can't really pull that exact. But on the YouTube channel, so you see this big drop on the website that's talking about. Most people would be scared because of that. I'm not. One reason is that we have made a little bit of a shift towards a new academy that we're building for insurance agents. The other thing is I have to understand that we're going to see massive drops in traffic, 30, 40, 50, 60% with AI because people are getting their answers to the AI models and maybe getting directly to our website that way. So that doesn't concern me. But I really just want to take this video and show you the power of how you can use Gemini for your Google My Business profile, your YouTube channel, your website, all these different things, pulling in Google Analytics, pulling in Google Search Console, because these are all part of what I call the Google entity, which means nobody's going to know it better than Google. So I hope you have found value in this video. And if you have, do me a favor, hit share, subscribe, and like the channel below. Thank you.